Installing the My Baptist Chart app and setting up your account takes just a few simple steps. To start, search for the My Chart app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the free app. Once the app is finished downloading, accept the terms and conditions, then choose whether you'd like to allow the app to have access to your location. This will help you find Baptist Health Northeast Florida in the options. If needed, use the search box at the top to search for Baptist Health Northeast Florida and choose it. Look for the Baptist Health logo to be sure you pick the right one. Tap the logo to add Baptist Health to your MyChart app. If you've already created a MyChart account on your phone or computer, you can sign in here to get immediate access to your health information. If you need to create an account, tap Sign Up Now. You may have already received an activation code. If you have that, enter it carefully along with the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and your date of birth. If you don't have an activation code, that's not a problem. Just tap Sign Up Online, then follow the steps to complete the identity match and create your My Baptist Chart account. For helpful FAQs about signing up for My Baptist Chart, visit baptistjax.com/mychart or ask a member of your care team for assistance.